How to delete post on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a post or video on TikTok. So if you have videos you no longer want on your profile, follow along step by step to remove them. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Here you'll see all of your posts. Next, tap on the video you want to delete. Then tap the three dots in the bottom right corner to open the options menu. Scroll all the way down and tap Delete. TikTok will ask you to confirm, just tap Delete again and your post is gone. Repeat this process for any other videos you want to remove from your profile. This is the easiest way to clean up your TikTok and only keep the content you want people to see. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.